Greetings and salutations, everyone. Today I'm in another car meet, and today's gonna be special because we're going to an actual car show. There's gonna be a lot of like drag racing stuff, and everyone with nice cars gonna be out there today. Whole car meet's with me right now. They're getting coffee, and as I'm waiting for them, I decided to record this intro. So next time you'll see me, I'll be at the show. See you then. Well, we're here, and there's a Supra in the parking lot. First time seeing one of those. The things are really nice. I have no clue what this is, but I like it. It's so stubby. Oh, it's a custom, I think. Yeah, this has to have been a custom. Whoever made that, you did a good job. Beautiful Chevrolet Nova. It's a Yanko. There's Ford Highboy next to it. There's a GMC Typhoon sitting here. And of course, right next to it, we have a DMC DeLorean, which is pretty cool. We got a tricked out smart car. That's the nicest smart car I've ever seen. I'd actually do that. SC8 Vet. Here's this beautiful Duster from the racetrack, all hand painted. I think it's beautiful. So Matt just got his Magnum in the show. I don't know how he did, but he did. Thing's beautiful. There's an NSX here. Ooh, I just spotted something. There's a Fox body. It's a GT, I believe. It's my favorite kind of Mustang there is. And then, of course, we got a Dragula. I was wrong, it was SVD Cobra.
Oh, dude, shopping car?
So he's gonna use the base in the smart car. We're back at the smart car. Let's watch some dirt racing.
We see him at the gas. Here we go. Hold up, when they jump it, it's the funnest part. Let's hit my birthday is June 24th.
I would drown the go-kart in this thing.
Yeah. Oh no, yeah, you watch this. He's gonna hit that shit. I'd hit it. That shit's slid in. Like that.
Oh, I would kill the go-kart on this thing. Come on! Diff's slipping. The belt.
Yeah, the drive bomb's pretty fun. Hey, Tuesday.
We're not the other side of the track watching autocross. There goes a Type R Civic. I got a future project car still down in Arizona, which I'll tell you guys about soon, but yeah, I think I'm going to turn to an autocross car after seeing this.
Ladies and gentlemen, if I can have your attention for one moment, please. We're looking for the parents of Caden Christopher. Parents of Caden Christopher, please come to the DJ booth located next to the Rev Alaska award table.
Yeah, the SN95 was faster.
Mine had a lot of body roll. I had that body style. This SUV. It's probably got the 8C on it. Off-road. Is it not? Could be time. Yep, that's a trumpet. I think so.
Get a Porsche in front of us. Alright, here's an SN95 that's been at the meet a couple times.
Alaska Raceway Park.
My car too.
RC Detail. Crown Motors.
Such way more fun to actually watch it.
Forge Motorsports. Perfectionist Auto Sound and Security. Don't forget to check out the food trucks outside. Smokehouse Barbecue.
Since I'm out here, I might as well get some video of these. There's a 1970 Olds 442 sitting out here in green, and a 67 Malibu. It was really nice. These aren't actually part of the show, they're just the tenders. Instead of a mechanical bull, we got a salmon.
Sit on it. This is just pitiful.
It's very sad.
He's going easy on you.
Alright, I'm actually on now. That wasn't fair! Alright.
He can't even sit on it.
Oh god.
It's not fair.
You should have clotheslined him.
That fish is angry at you, John.
There we go.
Use your legs.
You think it's so easy, man.
Probably.
I'm about to grip this thing. It's taunting me now.
Laughing at you.
As soon as he gets a spin on it, you're done.
Don't hang on it, please.
Man, he bounced that thing pretty good. He got some experience.
Oh, really?
All's good.
This thing is...
He looks slippery.
Oh, it is. It is.
That's rough.
Like, if there was a saddle, I'd be fine.
Matt's turn.
Oh, dude, this is slippery.
Yeah.
This is terrible. Yep.
Send it.
Oh, get back on. Come on, it's not that hard. Well, I'm dizzy after this ride. No. Get back on. Jerk him. Hard. Oh, that's brutal, boys. He was not lying. Yeah, I know I wasn't, bro.
Aw.
That's impressive.
Matt's vehicle won. Best vehicle for a date night. So, yeah. VCC won a car award.
Give me some, winner.